Actors who became iconic without talking. Rowan Atkinson. Worldwide fame through facial expressions and physical humor. Charlie Chaplin. One of the most recognizable actors in history, built on silent performance. Buster Keaton. Legendary for visual storytelling and physical comedy. Jacques Tati. Created iconic characters using movement and timing. Jean Dujardin. Gained global recognition through a mostly silent modern role. Harold Lloyd became a major star using visual comedy and stunt-based performance. Pierre Etes, known for elegant, nearly silent comedic roles. Laurel and Hardy, achieved worldwide popularity through visual humor and physical gags. Red Skelton, famous for expressive, physical comedy with minimal dialogue. Marcel Marceau, a world-famous performer who communicated entirely through movement.